Why do you look so down?
I want to prepare for the NMMS, but I have no idea where to start.
Oh,
Don't worry, I'm here to help. Gory Smart Channel has everything you need for NMMS prep. Just check it out. Subscribe, like, and share.
Really? That's awesome. I'll subscribe to Gowrie Smart Channel right away. Thank you so much.
Hi friends, welcome to Gory Smart Channel. Today we are going to discuss about triangles and its property, which is very useful for NMMS and other competitive exams. Let us see. Before going to start this video, you just like this video. Come on. Triangle. Triangle means a polygon with three sides is called triangle. A polygon with three sides is called triangle. Otherwise, we can say a simple closure figure which is formed by line segments, a simple closure figure. This is a closure figure and it is formed by line segments, and two line segment endpoints are meeting at one point, and the two line segments meeting at corners. We can say a polygon with three sides is called triangle, or a simple closure figure which is formed by line segments, which is formed by three line segments. That is called triangle. A simple closure figure which is formed by three line segments is called triangle, or a polygon with three sides is called triangle. Now, in this triangle, if you observe, what is there? Here, three vertices are there. Vertices. So, A vertex and B vertex and C vertex. And three angles are there. This is one angle, this is one angle, and this is one angle. So, three angles will be there. Angle A, angle B, angle C. And three sides are there. Three sides are there. See, AB side, BC side, and AC side. So, AB side, BC side, and CA side. So, there are 9 elements are there. In this 9 elements, what are the measurements are means 6 measurements are there. So, we can measure angle, we can measure side, but we can't measure vertex. So, how many measurements of a triangle are there means 6 measurements. How many elements are there means, so 9 measurements are there. Total 9 measurements, total 9 elements, and measurements are 6. Okay. So, these are the measurements, these total elements. So, total 9 elements, total measurements 6 measurements. In the 6, 3 angles are there and 3 sides are there. Next, types. What are the types? What are the types of the triangle? Let us see. According to sides, triangles are of 3 types. According to sides, triangles are of 3 types. If all sides are equal, a triangle in which all sides are equal, then that triangle is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all sides are equal. Then that is called equilateral triangle. Means all sides are equal means what? AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So, all sides are equal. So, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Means one side is how much? Same, that much only the remaining 2 sides will be there. And also, all angles are equal. Angle A is equal to, angle B is equal to, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. So, every angle is 60 degrees. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles are equal. A triangle in which all sides are equal, then the triangle is called equilateral triangle. And the second one is isosceles triangle. Second one is what? Isosceles triangle. What is this isosceles triangle? Let us see. A triangle in which two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal. Two sides are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, means AB is equal to AC. And one more important property, the angles which are opposite to equal sides are equal, means angle B is equal to angle C. The angles which are opposite to equal sides are equal, means what are the angles opposite to equal sides? Those are also equal. If equal angles are equal, then opposite sides are equal. If sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. This is the most very important property in isosceles triangle. If sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. If angles are equal, then opposite sides are equal, vice versa. So a triangle in which two sides are equal, then that is called isosceles triangle. Next, third one. What is third one? Now see here. Now you observe clearly this AB side is small side and the second side is somewhat more and this BC side is somewhat more, means these three sides are different. A triangle in which all sides are different or no two sides are equal. No two sides are equal or all sides are different. Then the triangle is called scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Here no two sides are equal, means AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA, or angle A is not equal to angle B is not equal to angle C. So, no two sides are equal means all sides are different. If all sides are different means all angles are different. All angles are different. So these are the types of the triangles according to sides. According to sides. Now triangles are also classified into according to angles. According to angles. Let us see. According to angles, we will discuss. What are those according to angles? Let us see. First of all, acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. First one is acute angled triangle. And the second one is obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. And the third one is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. What are those? Let us see. Acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all angles are acute angles. Means in the day before day class we have studied what is acute angle. So the angle more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. Those are called acute angle triangles. Means all angles are acute. All angles are acute angles. See, and this is ABC triangle. This is below 90 degrees. This is also below 90 degrees. This is also below 90 degrees. So that's why this is called acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all angles are acute angles, means below 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees. Those triangles are called acute angled triangles. Next, here you see. See here one angle, only one angle is obtuse angle. A triangle in which if one angle is obtuse angle, then the triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Next. A triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees. One angle is 90 degrees. Then the triangle is called right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. A triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees. Then the triangle is called right angled triangle. So according to angles, triangles are of three types. One is acute angle triangle. All angles are acute angles. And obtuse angle triangle, one angle is a triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle. Then the triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is right angle, then that is called right angle triangle. So this right angle triangle what is the side which is opposite to right angle? Means 90 degrees. What is the side which is opposite to right angle? That is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Now, for right angle triangle only one property is there, that is hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. AB square is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is a Pythagorean theorem which is very useful for our NMMS exam. Definitely 1 or 2 bits will be coming from this concept. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now let us see here. Types completed. Next, median. What is median? Median means a line segment. A line segment which is drawn from vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. That is called median. See in this triangle, what I have drawn AD, that is called median. That is called median. Here also I will show. I will show you. This is called median. So midpoint of the opposite side. These two sides are equal. This is one median. Means a line segment which is drawn from vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. That is called median. Now I will draw one median from here also. I will draw one median from here also. Means a triangle will have maximum 3 medians. Maximum 3 medians. Minimum 1 median. So means if I draw one median, that is 1 median. A triangle is having 3 medians. 3 medians. The point of the intersection of these medians is called centroid. Centroid. Which is denoted with a G. The point of the intersection of medians. The point of the intersection of medians is called centroid. Centroid it is called as. Okay. Now we have to see here. See. In equilateral triangle, all medians are equal. All medians are equal in length. All medians are equal. Next. See, this is median. This is median. This is median. Like that. Now, we have to know about altitude. What is altitude? Altitude, another name is height of the triangle. Height of the triangle. What is height of the triangle? Let us see. Height of the triangle. A perpendicular line which is drawn from vertex to opposite side. A perpendicular line segment. A perpendicular line segment which is drawn from vertex to opposite side. That is called altitude or height of the triangle. Or height of the triangle. Now see here, if I draw perpendicular to the opposite side, that is called height. That is called height of the triangle or altitude of the triangle. See, this is median because it is dividing this triangle into two equal parts. This is height. This is height or altitude. The difference you understand. A line segment which is drawn from vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. This is called median. This is a median. And this is called altitude. Now here, most very important point I will say, listen. In this equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle, so every altitude or every height is inside of the triangle, Coming to here, in acute triangle, the altitude is inside of the triangle. The altitude is inside of the triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, the altitude is outside of the triangle, means exterior of the triangle. See, I can't draw perpendicular inside of the triangle. So, I am extending this BC side and I am making a altitude outside. In obtuse angle triangle, the altitude is outside of the triangle. In right angle triangle, one side of the triangle only altitude. One side of the triangle only altitude. So, in your exam, they will ask like this. In right angle triangle, where is altitude? So, inside of the triangle, outside of the triangle, or one of the side of the triangle, none of this. You have to make it one of the side of the triangle. Like that, you have to make it. So, this is the most very important. Where is the altitude in the triangle? So, in an equilateral triangle, altitude is inside. In isosceles triangle, altitude inside. In scalene triangle also altitude inside. Whereas coming to in acute angle triangle, the altitude is inside, and obtuse angle triangle altitude is outside, and right angle triangle altitude is one of the side of the triangle. One of the side of the triangle. Next, properties. So what are the properties? Let us see now. Properties. The first most important property is in a triangle, any triangle, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Means angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is 180 degrees. In a triangle, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. For example, we know very well equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degrees. So 60 plus 60 plus 60, 60 and 60, 120, 120, 60, 180. So like that, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So if you want to measure or if you want to know how this is, take any triangles. You draw any triangle on the paper and using protractor find the angle A and angle B and angle C. Now add these three angles, you will get 180. Exactly 180 degrees you will get. For example, 56 and 64 and 60. 56 and 64, 120, 120, 60, 180, like that. Otherwise, 30, 40 and 50. So 30, 40, 70, 70 and 30, 40, 70, 70 and so one more angle is 110. So 110 degrees. So like that. Like that, if you draw any triangle, so if you measure the three angles using protractor, you can find the sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. That is by experimental, you get the answer. This is the first property. Next, second most very important property is shear. Now I am extending BC side. Now, if I extend BC side, I am getting exterior angle. This exterior angle is nothing but the sum of the opposite its interior angle. Now see here, angle ACD is equal to the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the opposites its interior angle. Most very important. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the opposites its interior angle. The exterior angle of the triangle is equal to sum of the opposites its interior angle. This is most very, very important property. Next. Third one. Is the sum of two sides of a triangle. Is greater than the third side. See, AB plus BC is greater than the AC. See, this side and this side if I add, definitely it will be more than AC. By seeing only you can say. So, AB plus BC is greater than AC. In the same way, BC plus AC is greater than AB. In the same way, AC plus AB is greater than BC. The sum of the opposite sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The sum of the any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The sum of the any two sides of a triangle is greater than the remaining side. In the same way, the difference of any two sides of the triangle, is less than the third side. The difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So these are the most very important three triangular properties, and also fourth one already we have discussed, that is in right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So these are the four important properties of a triangle. Next, triplet. Pythagorean's triplet. Let us see here. Pythagorean's triplet we will discuss. A, B, C. This is the triangle. This is the triangle, right angle triangle. Because one triangle is 90 degrees, then that is called right angle triangle. Already we have discussed it. And this is called hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now, we know very well the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Now, let us suppose you take this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. See, 3, 4, 5. How it is magic? So, 3 after 4, 4 after 5. Now, we will take 5. So, 5 square. So, AB means 4. 4 square. BC means 3. So, 3 square. So, 5 square is how much? 25. 4 square is how much? 16. 3 square is how much? 9. So, 25 is equal to 16 plus 9, 25. See, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, it is satisfying. So, our formula is correct. Now, what we have taken, those are called 3, 4, 5 are Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet. Now, if you multiply these numbers with any number, those are also Pythagoras triplet. 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. This is also Pythagoras triplet because multiples are also satisfying this property. Now, 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. These are also Pythagoras triplet. 4 table. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. These are also Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet. Now, one more thing I will say. 7, 12, 13. See, 7, 12, 13. This 7, 12, 13 also Pythagoras triplet. 7, 12, 13 also Pythagoras triplet. See, 7 square 49, 12 square 144. Sorry, 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. So, 5 square is 25. So, 12 square is 144. If you add these two, you will get 169. So, 13 square. So, 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. Those are also Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet. If you multiply those are also, you will get Pythagoras triplet. So, 2 table. 5 2s are 10, 24 and 26. So, like that. Now, so many Pythagoras triplets are there. Then, how to find Pythagoras triplets? So, two formulas are there. Those are, if m is even number, 2m is even number, then 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. If m is even number. If n is odd number, n square plus 1 by 2, n square minus 1 by 2. So, using these two formulas, we can find Pythagoras triplets. How, sir? Now, we will take 3. So, 3 comma 3 square 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 2, 5. 3 square 9, 9 minus 1, 8, 8 by 2, 4. See, we got this one. So, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? Now, I will take 5. That is, we will get this one. 5. 5 square, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 by 2, 13. 5 square, 25. 25 minus 1, 24. 24 by 2, 12. So, if it is odd number, we will get this Pythagoras triplet. 7. If you take 7 also, you will get 7. 7 square, 49. 49 minus 1, 48. 48 of 24. 7 square, 49. 49 plus 1, 50. 50 of 25. Like that, starting number, odd number means we have to use this formula. If even number, if it is even number, we have to use formula. Means 2m should be even. 2m should be even. For example, 8 you take 8. So, 2m is 8 means m is 4. 4 square minus 1. 16 minus 1, 15. 4 square plus 1. So, 16 plus 1, 17. So, 8 comma 15 comma 17. 8 comma 15 comma 17. So, like that if you take, you will get so many even numbers. For example, 2m is 10. 2m is 10. So, 2m is 10 means m is 5. 5 square minus 1 means 24. 5 square plus 1 means 26. So, already we got 10, 24, 26. This is. So, in exam, which of the following is a Pythagoras triplet? So, they will give one is correct answer, the remaining 3 is wrong answer. Or which of the following is not Pythagoras triplet? Which of the following is not Pythagoras triplets means they will give 3 answers are correct. So, Pythagoras triplet, one is not Pythagoras triplet. So, you have to use this formula for finding the Pythagoras triplet. it's using starting number, or you how to use this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Pythagorean triplet formula you have to use. So using that one, we can easily find the answer of the given question. So this is the total concept of the triangle and its properties. I think you understand very well. So I explained very clearly and very neatly and very slowly. So if you understand very clearly, please keep in the comment section your comments, excellence or superstar, more or less like that. Keep in your comment section, then it will reach to so many students. So please share this video to all. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you have any doubts, then please subscribe in my channel, and please keep your doubts in your comment section, and please share this video to all your friends. And if you are the new person, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it.